What is the photic zone in marine biomes? Imagine diving into the ocean and feeling the sunlight warm your skin as you swim through shimmering waters. That bright, lively layer is what scientists call the photic zone. It's the top part of the ocean where sunlight reaches enough to support life. This zone usually extends down to about 200 meters or around 650 feet below the surface. But the exact depth can change depending on how clear the water is, where you are in the world, the season, and how many particles or dissolved substances are in the water. In this zone, light is strong enough for tiny plants called phytoplankton and algae to perform photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process where these plants turn sunlight into energy, creating food for themselves and the rest of the marine food web. This makes the photic zone the heart of primary production in the ocean, meaning it's where the energy from the sun is first captured and turned into organic matter. The photic zone is often split into two parts. The upper part is called the euphotic zone, where sunlight is so bright that photosynthesis happens faster than the plants use energy, so they grow actively. Just below that is the dysphotic zone, also known as the twilight zone. Here, light is present but not enough for net photosynthesis, so plants grow much more slowly. Beneath the dysphotic zone is the aphotic zone, where sunlight doesn't reach at all. In this dark layer, marine creatures relying on other energy sources, like organic matter falling from above or chemosynthesis. This zone is vital for many marine ecosystems, including coral reefs, kelp forests, and open ocean plankton communities. The depth and clarity of the photic zone influence how many different species can live there and how productive the ecosystem is. Changes in water clarity or climate can affect how much sunlight penetrates, which can impact the entire food web and even the ocean's role in controlling carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Understanding the photic zone helps us see how sunlight drives life in the ocean. It's the interface where energy from the sun fuels the growth of tiny plants, supports large animals, and influences global climate patterns. When water becomes murkier or warmer, it can shrink or shift, changing the balance of life in marine environments. This zone is a lively, sunlit region that keeps the ocean's ecosystems thriving and connected to the climate system.